So you've driven your car into a flood. It's had a drink and it's stopped. Won't even turn over on the starter motor. So this is definitely hydrolocked. So the first thing we're going to do, remove the air filter and see how bad it is. Just a few screws to undo. And oh, it's not dripping, but it's sodden. It's wet, it's heavy. So it's definitely sucked some water up. Air is drawn in through the air filter first, up to the turbo, through all the intercooler pipe work, and then to the engine. And that's a lot of water. So this is the pipe work from the intercooler. So the plan is to remove all of the glow plugs. So engine cover off, remove the electrical connections from the top of all four, and just checking around the glow plugs in a moment to make sure there's no debris around the tops of them, so that when they're removed, that debris doesn't then fall into the cylinders. And we're all good. Taking great care when I'm doing these, just in case they do snap. If they do, then you're in a world of pain. So once all four are out, they can be put to one side, and then we'll see about turning it over to try and remove any water that's collected inside of the cylinders. Here we go. Yep, I'm getting the word squirter. Lovely. Okay, so we'll bash it back together. Glow plugs back in. Battery's getting flat, so we'll hook it up to another battery. And fingers crossed, we'll see some signs of life. Now already it's showing signs. There's a couple that want to fire. Obviously there's still going to be some water in there. We can't get it all out really until it's running, or we strip it apart. Well, we're going to keep trying with this. Now there is no air filter in this, but I'm going to give it a few revs and we'll see what comes out the exhaust. It's already been losing some water. That's good. Brilliant. Now we'll pop some trim back on. The filter will arrive tomorrow and I'll give it a road test. And we should be all good. Thanks for watching.